Alright, check it out. Here's the first iteration, completely built. I'd show you the wiring harness, but it is literally a shit show. So right now I have it being powered off the battery pack. Once this is up, everything can be turned on, but once it's flipped down, everything will lose power. Right now I just have the Peltier device cooling the box down, and once I turn this, the fan will start to blow. The air does feel pretty cool, even to the hand that's dry. It feels like it's nice and cool. Once the fan's fully on, I don't think there's enough cooling power. Like, this doesn't feel as cool as before. So if I lower the fan speed, it starts to feel a whole lot cooler. And that's because the Peltier device is able to cool the air down at a rate which the fan can blow out and still keep everything nice and cool. This fan is honestly a whole lot stronger than I thought it'd be. Right over here is a portable power station. And over here we can also see what kind of wattage we're pulling. With just the Peltier device, we're pulling 38 watts. And once we engage the fan, it jumps up to about 50 watts. You also notice the fan's a whole lot more stronger. Well, it's a whole lot stronger. Because I don't think battery pack is able to produce the amount of amperage this needs to run at full capacity. It also means that if I lower the fan speed, the Peltier should be able to work at a better rate, and it should be able to produce colder air. I really need to get some kind of thermal camera or something to read this, see what temperature air is actually coming out of this thing. But it does seem like it's working. Here's a 360. And there's the wires inside of the box, and there's the Peltier at the top. And the fan comes over here, it's at an angle. But if you had nothing else, yeah, that is pretty cool air. Like, that's definitely cooler than room temperature. It's probably 95 to 100 degrees in the garage.